mother.
Missy Goody Barry. My best walk. Nick, my best walk.
Hi, Mom. How are you?
Nick, I best walk.
Yes.
I bet
Oh, we
she
just got back
does.
from the Christmas party. Grace had a ball. It was very nice. They had cupcakes for the kids. They had the kids. They had juice boxes and they had pretzels for the kids. And they gave out balloons and they gave out little goodie bags to the kids. And there was a band, like a guy playing music. And he was singing and the kids were all dancing and the kids loved it. And Grace was right in the middle with the little kids dancing and I was on the
I
side.
found the chocolate.
She was hopping up and down, yay, and boom, ba-boom, ba-boom. And Cecilia's friends were there, nannies, and they were like, hi, Grace, how are you? Like two of the ladies, yeah. And one lady was like hugging her. Hi, Grace, how are you? Yeah, it was nice. Well, no, it was Cecilia's friends. They see her all the time. I guess she plays with their kids, their nanny kids. Yeah, so. Yeah, Tashi, she saw there. Oh, no, only an hour and a half, they do. And kids, and then Santa Claus came in. And
This is
I got a picture with
chocolate.
Santa Claus, but she wouldn't go too close.
This is chocolate rock.
Yeah.
I bet it's chocolate rock.
Yeah.
Chocolate rock.
Yeah, I had to bring her over, and well, she liked Santa Claus, but she was afraid to go near him. That's all.
Cute.
Yeah, it was too funny. Yeah. So, yeah, they still get scared, I hear. Yeah. Well, he's a big man, so yeah.